Which classroom do you choose to expert in millionaire class or nerd class? Supermodel class or tattoo class? Be broke for 2 years or become a super rich but block the first person that pops up when you click share, and then more. Crypto class or lawyer class? Lose your finger or press it on the comments which emoji comes first on keyboard. Emo class or gaming class? Lose your sight or like this video?